Okay, I am having glitches, and I decided to do a video about it. This is odd. I'll check up on that. I'm human, I do stuff on Forcadia, okay? Close that, I don't need this open at the moment. I'm gonna need to show you my glitches at the best possible speed. File. Let's try to create a new dream, shall we? Dream.exe has encountered a problem and needs to close. Restart for the inconvenience. I never send. Microsoft can't do much about a stupid problem. Sorry, I had to do that. Those kind of people irk me. Now we've seen what happens when we hit new. Let's try to hit open, shall we? Yeah, I'm pretty mad at this system, so you'll see me getting involved. Oh, look, another dream. Okay, now watch this one. Watch this one. I try to open any of my other dream files manually instead of from the client button or from the dream editor button. It works fine! Yeah, I know, I'm angry at the system. I'm also angry at this Alec tag. Now, a little something else. Well, I can always copy a dream and make a new one, but of course I'm gonna need to change the name of that one if I make a new one. And maybe put some different patches and... Once again! Changes, and it just blanks out. So as you can clearly see, I am mad at the system. Sorry I had to do that interruption, have that little friendly chat with that Alec tag. But, farewell.